Good morning on this not so wintry January 11th. That squeaking you hear is my sneaker. That is my summer sneaker that I'm wearing without socks. I'm also wearing no jacket and no hat because it's not cold. It is windy. Ooh, it's windy, but not cold. So Maddie and I just had a rough couple of days. I try not to buy into the collective consciousness around illness and dis-ease. However, I think I had the flu or something. I was definitely punky and sleepy and dizzy and any of the other seven dwarfs. And the thing is, I just don't like to buy into that story. I think that there's a pendulum swing between total disregard for medical assistance at the very extreme, and at the other extreme, complete surrender to whatever possible medical condition could be happening at any given moment. And I prefer to live in the in-between, knowing that there's something larger than me, that is wiser than me, and that lives its life in me. So I know that to be true. And I know that most illnesses, passing illnesses, are an illusion. And I also took a couple aspirin last night, and I drank a bunch of tea, and I went to bed early. So it's there's kind of a balance between everything. Between, seriously extreme beliefs in whatever religious path we follow, and the extreme non-belief that nothing is philosophically possible or spiritually possible. And we all have to find that place of balance for ourselves. I don't think that can be taught. I don't even think that can be shown. I think we can learn from our experiences, and we can learn from spiritual and non-spiritual teachers and writers. But the experience, Maddie, is one that we must grow into ourselves through our own moments in life. There are people who claim to have no faith at all, and then as they approach their impending death, suddenly it's, pray for me. And then there are people who are very faithful all their lives and yet can do horrible, hateful things to other people. That's my shoe again, very squeaky. So I think it's all about balance and finding that balance. It breaks my heart that Jim Henson died from not going to the doctor. And at the same time, he was living his faith. So can I fault him for that? Not really. That would be unfair. So, finding that balance, finding that place where feeling a pain or feeling discomfort doesn't immediately mean I have to call 911 and an ambulance. It could just mean I slept funny. It could just mean I ate something weird. And knowing the difference. So that's what I've been pondering today, since the last couple of days have been so surreal. I also recognize that 2 days ago I was feeling amazing, and then yesterday I was feeling dizzy. And I reflected on the fact that What is that? What could that mean to me on a deeper level? Again, extremes. Again, finding the balance between. So we continue on. I hope your Saturday is great. I hope you find that balance for yourself. And I will leave you with the sound of these beautiful wind chimes on this house that we're passing. And I hope you have a peaceful day.